My name's Thomas Sutherland. I am a manager technology partner here at Air Canada. I support our maintenance applications on a day-to-day basis, one of which being interfacing solutions. I've been using interfacing solution for the last 4 years in my daily role here at Air Canada. The need arose to bring them on as a partner because we needed to modernize our technical record solution, as well as modernize our engineering authorization process.
My name is Melissa Bussell, and I am a manager of business transformation in the maintenance branch of Air Canada. Since I started in maintenance, interfacing was the selected solution to replace our legacy system. And so it's been 4 years I've been using interfacing.
Interfacing's products have been revolutionary here at Air Canada. What started as a twofold solution, a document repository and an engineering approval flow, has now expanded into a much larger tool. We now host upwards of a dozen applications on the platform, with many more in the pipeline. All of the applications are all available on the user's tablet or mobile, which has been fantastic for our mechanics on the front line and our engineers in the hangar. By giving us the ability to bring multiple applications under the one roof, so to speak, interfacing has provided us immense value, as our users no longer have to go to multiple applications in different browsers, different screens, when now it's all in the one spot.
The maintenance operation is a pretty complex operation. It relies a lot on communication, on efficient communication, and we are still relying heavily on emails or phone calls, which is not necessarily the most efficient way that we could work. And when we were talking a lot with our employees, gathering their feedback, it's a pain point to get efficient communication across different business units. And so when we were looking at redesigning our processes, we looked at interfacing as a solution to support our redesign process and make sure that we're able to streamline that communication, alleviate those pain points, and make sure that anybody that's involved in the process and that needs to be informed is informed in a timely manner.
Users no longer have to sift through emails and chat messages to try and find what they're up to.
I think what's exciting is one central location for our mechanics, for our workforce, to find either documentation, to find processes, to find their application that support those processes. So our vision for the future is really to shift our perspective from looking at a process at a business unit level, where you don't understand the interconnectedness of processes. And so when you're redesigning a process, you don't know how you affect other business units. So by leveraging the Enterprise Process Center, we're able to see our whole A to Z process flow, from the engineer creating a maintenance program for an aircraft or a part for a component, all the way to the mechanic executing the work on the aircraft. So understanding the interconnectedness makes it easier when it comes time to optimize processes, because we know which business units to involve, we understand the complexity, and we're able to not miss any important stakeholders.
What makes interfacing such a valued partner is not just their product, which is outstanding, but also their support team. They have and continue to provide comprehensive training and support for all of our users.
The interfacing team support has been great. They are responsive when we needed them, especially post-implementation. The hypercare went further than we expected, and they were very supportive. They were accessible, available, and they even adapted their solution to our needs and made sure that the deployment was a success, which is very important for us, for the sustainability of the tool.
Beyond the initial implementation, interfacing has been instrumental in helping us modernize our legacy applications. Their support extends beyond troubleshooting. Interfacing has been actively involved in our process mapping and application development work, providing hands-on support and expertise.
I did want to say, one benefit from interfacing is the fact that, processes we want to be flexible with redesigning our processes, and the ability that our developers in-house have to tweak the application from interfacing is super important for us. For Air Canada, it's really important for us to stay agile when it comes to maintaining our processes, and so that applies also for the tools that we use to support them. So with the interfacing solution, we're able to quickly adapt them to our new and redesigned processes as time goes along. And this way, we're not heavily reliant on heavy IT solutions. We're able to stay nimble, stay agile, and maintain our efficiency.